Would you like to make your first $2,000 or $500 per day with affiliate marketing or digital marketing? So if you're watching this video, this is going to be at least 5 to 10 minutes long video where I'm going to show exactly what is the high ticket system that I'm using, and I'm going to show you exactly in the details, step by step, how to set it up, what I'm personally doing to set it up, and how to combine free traffic, right? Free advertising with paid advertising. So that you don't have to waste lots of money upfront on ads, and in the same time you can make big ticket commissions. So as you can see here over on my screen, right, live right now, I'm getting paid minimum $500 every single day in my bank account. So you can see over here $500, and I'm getting it by Stripe Express. So it means you can get money in the same day. I'm getting paid 100% affiliate commissions per day. As you can see, right, $500 sale, 500, 500. Those are all profits. They're not revenue. It's all profit because, as I said before, you're getting 100% commissions. You can see $2,000, $47, right? So all these are affiliate commissions paid straight into my bank account. Now, why I'm showing you this is because I want you to understand this. If you want to make money online as a newbie, what you have to understand is you cannot keep buying clickbank courses from clickbank millionaires who are gurus, right, who are in marketing for 20, 30, 40 years, and they're teaching you outdated methods, right? If you're a newbie, right, and if you're watching this video and if you only have $3,000 to your name that you can use on marketing, on your own online digital marketing business, and what you have to understand is you're going to struggle if you're going to use that money to promote clickbank products. Why? Because, as you know, there are lots of people who try clickbank and they never make it. And the reason why is because they don't have high enough budget and they don't have the right copywriting strategies and all of this stuff that is complicated, right? That you have to put into the action to make money online. Now, in this case that I'm showing you right now, the difference is that you are getting paid daily 100% commissions, and those commissions start from all the way from $500 all the way up to $2,300 per sale. So you're getting big ticket commissions. Let me show you what I'm personally doing. So you can see over here on my screen now, I'll move it to show you, right, what kind of results we are getting. As you can see here in our group, right, another $500 today, right, I got it here. We post the photos in our group, and another Indian guy, basically, $4,000 in one day. And how he made it? He made it only with 2 sales, right? So as I said before, it's great for newbies because you get paid 100% commission and it's in the same day. So if you want to run Google ads, you can afford to spend $200 or $300 per day on Google ads. Once you earn $2,000 commission, right, you can take $200 out of $2,000 commission and you can find your marketing, right? You can use it as a marketing budget to make more sales, if it makes sense, right? I think it makes a lot of sense to just promote other people's product and earn juicy big ticket commissions, right, as a result, without having to do any support, coaching, or delivery, right? So let me show you over here. You can see what exactly I do and what traffic I'm using. So follow me along, right? Let me go over here to show you the exactly system that you can use. You see over here, right, what is my strategy? So as a bonus, I'm giving you minimum 100 to 1,000 free leads. In this case, I'm just showing you the leads, right? The first thing is you join the program. As I said before, you have 3 options: $500, $1,000, and $2,500. In that case, you can earn all big ticket commissions on all the smaller tires, right? All the smaller packages. And I'm going to show exactly how in the next slide. You can see over here, right? First, we sent 100 free leads. Now, remember, we are getting paid $2,000 commissions. So we send 100 free leads to your affiliate link. What happens then? We send out to the case study, basically the website, right? And I'm showing you exactly how to use $5 per day Google ads. Yes, $5 per day Google ads to generate free leads, right? Once you generate those leads, they will opt in into your system, which is done for you. So you're gonna have your landing page, your website, straight from this company, straight from the system, right? That you can promote as an affiliate and earn these huge commissions, right? So this is my personal strategy, right? Having the leads in BizOp niche, business opportunity, online marketing niche, make money online niche, right? Where people are already looking to make money online, right? Or side hustle. As you know, everyone is looking to make extra money. So niche like this, it's really potential. It's have a huge growth. Just check the stats. Everyone is looking how to make money online. So this niche is going to grow even more further up. So this is my system, right? 100 leads, go straight to the website, to the link. Then they opt into the email marketing system, which is done for you already, and I will show in the next slide. They upgrade into that, and then the system will send them automatically, or company, right, will send them automatically done for you email autoresponders, follow-ups, where they can upgrade, and you earn $2,000 or $500 commissions. So as you can see over here, we go back. What you need, right, is basically a repeatable process with this system that attracts buyers and converts them for you, right? It converts them for you, so you don't have to do any talking or showing. You just basically promote your affiliate link, you send traffic to your affiliate link, and everything is done for you about the conversion, right? Because if the offer is really converting really well, you don't need to have long webinars or VSLs, right? It's gonna work really quickly and fast. So the next thing I want to show over here is this. Let me go over here, out of the slides. What is my special bonus? My VIP bonus is email marketing system, which is basically fancy steeper templates and training. It's valued over $10,000 US, and you are getting this for free, personally from me. Why? Because this system, these email templates, just those alone can help you to close these $2,000 sales using email marketing system that the companies provide for you, right? So it works like that. You can stop and think about this. You're watching the new sales coming in every single day, 500, 100, $2,000 sales coming in, right? Because you are sending those pre-designed emails that are made in a way to generate quick sales, right? So all the copywriting, all the telling is done in those emails, and once you see them, once you send out one campaign, you will see how it works for yourself, right? So this is my strategy. So let me show you over here the system, how it works, right? We have over here, I got the email, because you can see over here, see, congratulations team, you made a sale. So every time you make a sale, affiliate system will send you out immediately email. They have a great support team. So you can see over here, hi team, congratulations, you have earned a $500 sale, Vertex elite commission. So this is how it works. You can see it works. Otherwise I will not make videos about this, I will not promote it. It works as well also for you if you're a newbie. You don't need to have a huge budget for this, right? You just need to have $5 to $10 per day extra if you want to run Google ads. I can also show you social media methods for attraction marketing, but you can use free methods like most of the guys who are making $50,000 or $100,000 in 3 to 4 months with this system, right? So it works really well if you have someone to guide you through step by step, and also it works faster, right? Because you can have someone to guide you, mentor you, and show you how to use this affiliate system. But you need to take action now. You cannot procrastinate and wait, right? You have to be more decisive. So this is how it works, right? As you can see over here, all of these payments come through Stripe. You get it in the same day. You have the whole affiliate system set up for you. So what you can do next, if you're still watching this video, you can reach out to me and I'll send you my free bonuses. So you can find me where you can find me. The links are below this video. You can find me on my Instagram. You can see over here, right? You can just check it out after watching this video. You can find me on my Instagram. Just click any links below in the description below under this video and reach me out there. You can also reach me on Facebook, on WhatsApp or email, and we can go from there, right? All the links are in the description below, and don't forget to smash the like button, share it with other people to get more support, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.